sitting here all by myself, loser. That's okay. The camp. Boat. Notice the docks are empty because all the boats are gone. That's okay.
Not good.
Overall, it's not good.
A little bit of that, sir. Buddy. Oh, your jacket comes in pretty handy.
Does it?
Well, it's a little bit fresh outside, so I put it on. Hey?
Put it back on the hanger.
You mind, eh? It smells nice now.
Nou, check de patana leeg.
Go check it about on the lace. Because it is stinging like a skunk.
Oh my god!
Keeping it, watch out.
Muscalon.
Look at Tony.
Let me introduce you to our friend.
Oh my god.
Get the rod.
Wait.
Mr. Mustard.
It's a drippy finger.
Oh my god.
Hello, Nick.
Nice fish.
Oh my god.
Hey, how many inch?
15 and a half.
That's why this guy checked his sticks, checked the potatoes.
Was it on you?
We got it on that side.
Hey, put the fucking stogie in his fucking mouth like that.
Holy Lord.
Was it the banana?
Well, that's a chunky fish, eh? You weigh him?
35. 35 right on.
Wow.
15 and a half inches.
Come on, drink water.
24 girth.
I did.
24.
Water, it broke wind, it broke just about everything. It came up a few times and then the net,
Josh's hands.
had to go get it.
Chased it in the water.
The partner says to me, you got no choice. You tried 3 times with that little net. Now it's time.
You in there?
Go ahead.
Look.
At the
We were on the
deal,
other boat,
me
me,
get
Joe, and
home.
Tommy, watching. I figured, and I can see them high-five each other. I go, they got something big. I go, that's it.
pickerel hole.
I go, they're in a pickerel hole. They're in the middle of the lake. They're in a pickerel. I go, Tommy, the 24-inch pickerel's done.
This fucking
Look at the
fish.
size of the mouth.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Well, yeah, that's a good fish.
Go.
Partner's going outside on the deck.
Yeah,
So we can wrap it.
Good to go up that way.
Oh, tripping
Oh
there.
yeah, that's a big fish. Oh God. That's a mouth.
Oh, no.
Was it thrashing around the boat? In the boat?
No, when we dragged it in the boat,
They said I had enough? Had a heart attack that?
yeah, I couldn't, we dragged it up there, but I said to Danny, I said, why don't you do a 3 count? Because it had a little bit of head shake still when I had him, but then once you lift his head out of the water,
Strong fish.
oh, you had to drag it up?
35 pounds, man.
How big was the other one?
How the fuck you grab? I don't understand how you grab it.
15 pounds. I thought it was 15
How
pounds.
did you
grab
put your
it with
hand
your
in there without him going wild?
But you just gotta make sure you don't put your hand in too far. And just throw it. He just threw it in the boat.
done that, Toots?
1, 2, 3, throw it in the
No
boat.
way.
Toots would have gone in,
Drag it
jumped
up.
it, wrestled it.
Good one now.
I knew.
They're not going anywhere.
What would you do?
All they had was that little rubber net. He tried to put it over his head, lucky he didn't break the line. Then it would have been gone.
No, that's why the net after we just kind of laughed.
Comes up
It's
with a boat. I didn't know it.
I don't see, you get the right glove by the tail and then by the body, and throw them in.
But every time we
the
went,
basket, the basket would have worked out.
I tried
Oh,
to
yeah,
wait.
they,
I put my
harness.
hand around his tail the
No,
first time.
it just
As soon as I
because
grabbed
they're so
it,
slimy.
like lightning, it took off. I guess 35 pounds.
Yeah,
the
with-
gaffer.
With no glove.
Even with the glove, it's 35 pounds. It's like the thing
I
still
have
has a lot of
gloves in
power
my bag.
I
behind
got
it.
one.
He still had a lot of
I
power.
never used it, but yeah.
I wonder if that lip gripper would have It's been hard.
And he says all the time.
Hey, John,
it is.
John,
would have worked.
John, you think if you
One
would have had
glove,
the
the
gripper,
tail.
the lip
Oh,
gripper
yeah?
Robbie had?
It got that, like I said,
It's
No,
a
he
rope
gets
around
it
your
in the
wrist.
bag.
You could have lifted
It's
it.
not
You know,
like
like
that.
pounds on it.
No, but you know what? It would
was
allow
slowed
me to
down.
lift his head out of that water.
Well, probably
get
get
the
the tail, maybe.
That's
Yeah,
heavy,
you could have
man.
safely
That
just
was
his head
flipped
in
on
the
the
water.
back.
Wash it with the yard and throw them.
That's what I said.
That's it, knock it out.
You know what?
Worst
Last
case
case
scenario,
scenario,
grab
right
your
last
own
the
slack
boat. You
over
know
the head
what? You know
a
what
couple
would have worked was the
Yeah.
cradle.
The cradle
Cradle.
basket.
You need it.
Because when he came close enough, I could
You
have
sat there sideways on the boat. You could have just cradled them. Yeah, you just had
That's where I
it.
used to bring.
Make one of those, Danny. You know what can make one with? A piece of
That
wire.
would have worked.
You laugh.
Fuck, but a piece of wire. The water goes through it strong. You can't rip